Sassy Rags. So today is our first video after the lockdown video. I hope you guys like the lockdown series, and if you've not seen it, please go ahead, check out my lockdown playlist and do watch all of them. They are very informative and useful and creative and entertaining. So today we are going to go ahead with DIY. This is very simple DIY. In today's video we are going to make beautiful pieces out of glass bottles that are left at our homes. You can use them anywhere to decorate or maybe keep your important things, etc. Here I have used two types of glass bottles. You can go ahead and experiment with any one that you have at your place and use your creativity. So yes, why to wait? Let's begin. So guys, here for the first creative chunk we have a bottle, some golden sparkle powder, gold metallic paint, masking tape and some brushes. So in this bottle I am going to use this masking tape over here. Using the masking tape in this bottle, I am going to cover properly like this, leaving some space. I am going to use this masking tape again on this bottle, just like this. You can do it on any kind of bottle. So guys, this is how our tape is looking right now. I have taken gold paint over here. I will take this paint it on the glass part. Now you see that I have painted on the glass part. Right now, when the paint is still not dried, we will take this sparkle dust and sprinkle this sparkle dust over the paint. This is how, after the sparkle dust is sprinkled, the bottle is looking. I've just done one part of it right now. Now you would think that I could have used a glue or Fevicol or anything else, but I am using this color so that when this bottle shows up from inside, the golden color will show at the back. So just taking care of the neatness. So as you can see, our entire bottle is done, and now it's time to take off the masking tape. You can see this beautiful bottle is ready. So guys, for the second part here, I have this bottle. So now these bottles, since it's locked down right now and I will not be able to go out and get anything done with this bottle, you can even go to any shop where they work with glasses and you can get it cut from here. They have machines with which they can do it very neatly. Right now I am going ahead with whatever I have, but yeah, it's an idea which you can use. My hot glue gun is ready to be used. Over here I have some stones like these. You can get it very easily, maybe on Amazon, on aquarium fish shops, etc. This is from my fish aquarium. I have already used them and I don't need them anymore. So yes, I am going to use them here. So here I am going to use this glue gun and paste these stones randomly. So guys, finally this is complete and it's looking very nice. You can keep it like this, as in this same core raw color, or you can go ahead and paint it in the colors you like. As for me over here, I'm going to paint it into 2 colors and make it colorful. So this is how my entire piece has turned out to be. I can keep it anywhere and keep anything in it. You can go ahead and color it in any combination of yours. Blue and green will look very nice. Any complementing colors would look good on this. You can even keep it plain white. It will be as per your choice and decor. Ta-da! So I hope you liked and enjoyed making these with us. Do try them. You can play around with different patterns, colors, etc., sparkle paints, whatever, and create these beauties at your home and enjoy your lockdown time like this. Do not get bored. Thank you so much for all the love. Like, share and subscribe to Sassy Racks, and do comment on our videos. I love reading your comments. Give them a try, and something else as well. Use your creativity. Let me know whatever you have made. Sassy Racks signing off for today. We'll be back with another video coming Tuesday.